Let's work through a mixed rate problem. So it takes Joey 10 hours to complete a job, so his rate is going to be one job for every 10 hours. Fred can complete the same job in 6 hours. So what we're going to do is add those together. We can go ahead and get a common denominator here, so it's going to be 3 over 30 plus 5 over 30, which works out to be 8 over 30, and that simplifies to 4 over 15ths. And this is 4 jobs in 15 hours. Since we want to know how many jobs happen, or I'm sorry, 4/15ths of a job in an hour, but we want to know how many hours it will take them per job. So we can just find the reciprocal. We're just going to flip this around. And that means that this will be 15/4. And that works out to be 3.75 hours. Now, 0.75 of an hour is 45 minutes, and you can find that by multiplying 0.75 times 60, but this is going to be 3 hours and 45 minutes if they work together.